Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer on Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're having this issue with your PC, your files are not working properly and you're getting that notification, well, there are two ways for you to fix this. Now, first things first, the first way here is just by accessing the properties. So you want to go ahead and just open the folder and locate the file where you want to basically remove this problem. For example, I have this file here, just going to right click on it, and let's go and just choose the option here that says properties. Now, the thing with this one is usually by default, especially if a file came from another computer, it will be blocked. So it would have a section here that says security, so you can go and just choose block, click on apply, and OK, and that should fix the problem. Now the thing with this one is if you have multiple files, you need to apply this on all of those files. Now how do you make it a lot easier for you? Well, to make it a lot easier for you, what you need to do is you want to open up command prompt here. So let's just type into our search cmd and look for command prompt, right click on it, and you want to go and choose the option here that says run as administrator. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just copy the command that I am showing on my screen in here. I'll be including it in the description, but what you need to do is you want to go and just copy this one, paste it into command prompt, and one more thing, you could go and just replace the actual location here. So this is the location where our files are actually located. Now to see where they are located, you could go and just click on the folder section. So you go and click on the top section here, copy the whole thing, enter, and you just need to replace the first part here, excluding the asterisk.pdf. Now, once you've done this and press enter on your PC, this will basically unblock all the files that is included in that folder. And also, just one more thing, make sure to not change any security settings that is like in your registry. So this is a security feature that Windows is actually or has implemented. So it's a means for them to protect your PC just in case a virus actually infested or has made through your computer. But that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.